Emergency hatch cover opening is provided on board for crew safety, to comply with SOLAS requirements, and to avoid port delays if the main hydraulic system fails, so every ship carries a portable electric motor-driven hydraulic pack as a backup. Every 3 months as part of the SMS drill, we first check the oil level in the portable pack's reservoir through the sight glass and top up if it is below the minimum mark. Then we connect the pack to the hatch hydraulic line, start the electric motor, and check that the system builds and holds 120 to 150 bar pressure for 30 seconds to confirm there is no leakage. For the actual emergency opening, we clear the area, isolate the main system, connect the portable pack to the emergency coupling, start the motor to build pressure, slowly operate the opening lever while monitoring both sides to prevent twisting, and once open we secure the cleats and log the drill in the deck, logbooks. Thank you. Subscribe the channel.